Love it, love it, love it! Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. Now, y'all, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Like, Jackie Aina has a collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like the Jackie. That's my girl. I love Jackie Aina. I've been watching her since the beginning ages of YouTubers that I have been rocking with for the longest. Absolutely love her. So excited for her and so happy for her with her collab. Like I'm gonna be telling y'all in the video, I am not a eyeshadow type of girl. So for me, this was very, I believe in my lifetime, I have only owned 3 eyeshadow palettes, and one of the 3 I still have. Let me make sure I'm telling the truth. The 4th one. The other one was like a off-brand type of, okay, so one of them was like an off-brand type of eyeshadow that someone brought me from Christmas. I don't even know what it was. It's kind of like that Christmas gift that, you know, somebody buy you and you're gonna keep it because they bought it, but it's something that you really don't want to use. I guess I could have gave it to somebody else too, but oh well. The other one was a Morphe palette, which I still have. And then the 3rd one was Makeup Shayla. She did a collab with, what was that, Maybelline? So I have that one. As you know, that one was like a small palette. So yeah, here we are with the iridescent, as you can see, flow. Absolutely in love with it. As you can see, it is gorgeous. She did that with the names of most of these shadows. I love when the influencers are very creative with the actual names of the shadows. Like you kind of connect with them a little bit more. Like they got a little bit of sass to them, you know, a little bit of personality to them. You can, you know, spice them up just a little bit with the name. So the look that I am giving you right now is going to be the look from the video she did when she announced her palette. Like I was saying before, I am not a big eyeshadow type of person, so I'm just gonna tell you from what, if I can do it beginner friendly, then this is a great palette, because as you can see, it blended flawlessly. The color literally popped. The colors are very pigmented. I can never say that word right. Am I saying it right? I don't have to use a lot of color for it to build up. That's what I'm trying to say. First time getting an ABH palette. Usually when I use ABH, it is for the pomade for the eyebrow. I haven't used them in so long because I've been using ColourPop, but I absolutely love their eyebrow pomade. That is pretty much the only thing that I've ever used from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So, Jackie, congratulations, girl. You deserve it. You deserve it. I'm so happy for you. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I got this look. If you would like to see a tutorial on this hair, I will link that down in the description box as well, because I definitely just filmed that too. Look at me being productive, got 2 in 1 going. So I'm gonna put all the information down in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Y'all, I am too hyped about this palette. I am so excited. I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to eyeshadow, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn. Now I did go ahead and already do my actual foundation as well as do my eyebrows, and I've already concealed as well. I pretty much wanted to do everything before I did the eyeshadow because I'm in between filming 2 videos. If you would like to see my hair look as well, it's going to be a video posted already with this look, so I'm not going to answer any hair questions in this video. The name of these shadows are everything. Like, I am so especially edges. Like, sis got a whole eyeshadow color named Edges, like Big Wig, Pinker, Wiggly, Zam, Lituation, Credit, Sponsored. Like, I love it. I love it. I also love that Anastasia Beverly Hills, it comes with actual brushes as well. Now, I probably should read the card to let me know which brushes these are. And they're really soft actually too. So they give you a double-sided brush that comes with it. Now I'm just gonna put mine back in the paper. I'm not gonna use it because I actually bought some eyeshadow brushes when I knew I wanted to film this video. I went ahead and went on Amazon and I got an eye brush set. I believe this was like $10. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It comes with 7. It's a 7-piece. Amazon, I got Amazon Prime, y'all, so it came to my house the next day. If you don't have Amazon Prime, keep it that way because you might spend your money too much if you get Prime. I go in with the angled shade brush. And with that, and I'm gonna go in with the color Pinker. And this Pinker, I'm actually going to attempt to recreate the look that Jackie Aina did on her video. Now I'm doing that because my creativity isn't really flowing right now. I have a lot of videos and content that I am putting out, and I know this is one that I wanted to do. So I wanted to get it out by a certain time. So I was like, you know what? We just gonna go ahead and do what Auntie Jackie did. So I'm going to attempt to do what she did. Hopefully it comes out as good as she did. I'm going in with the shade Pinker, which is this shade right here. There is some fallout, so you definitely want to make sure that you dust off your brush before you go in and apply. Alright, so the next color I am going to go in with is going to be Wiggly's. Now Wiggly's is such a beautiful color. Child, the name itself, Wiggly's. I'm gonna go in with my classic shader brush. And this set comes with a classic one and it comes with like a small one. I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet. Either way, it's still a shader brush and I'm gonna go in with Wiggly's. So now we're gonna take Credit, which is a dark brown. I'm gonna take it with my blending brush, and I had already used this with Pinker, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it with the same brush. I'm just gonna dust it off a little bit, and we're going to use Credit right here. It is a dark brown color. So we're just gonna go ahead, and in Jackie video, I trust her, but it speaks for itself too. So I am gonna follow along with her, and I'm going to go and do it in the outer V section. So I do make sure that you dust it off. Alright, so now she said in order for Wiggly's to be able to blend in the way that it should, that you should definitely take Supreme, which is a hot pink color, and just go ahead and blend that inside of the shadow. So I'm gonna do that lightly because I'm scared of this pink, y'all. I ain't really a pink type of person. So, okay, let's see what she's talking about. Sis know what she doing now. That's one thing we gotta do, is give credit where credit is due. Always give credit where credit is due. And you deserve it, girl. You deserve it. Then after this, I'm going to go back into Credit, and I'm gonna take one of the smallest brushes that I have in my pack. It's a Precise shader brush, and I'm just gonna go in under my waterline and add Credit. Now I usually don't add any liner to my waterline at the bottom. That's just me. As you can see the difference it made under my eye just by adding that to the bottom. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so now I'm just gonna take my blending brush and we're just gonna go through, child, and just make sure that I'm blended. And then I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna go off camera, and I'm going to go ahead and attach my lashes as well as my mascara, and then I'm gonna give y'all a complete review. Oh, so I almost forgot about the inner tear duct of the eye. I'm just gonna go in with Soleil. I kind of want to go in with Trust Issues, but I'm gonna do Soleil. Oh, Zam look good too. I think I'm gonna do Soleil because that's the one she used. And I'm just gonna go in and add that to the corner section of my eye. real quick. I did. That is my favorite one. When I put that thing on, I was like, ooh, okay.
Okay.
Girl, that was my favorite one. I didn't go through and like swatch them. Cause I didn't want to mess mine up.